Hi everyone, welcome to Kids Cook, and today we are going to be making insects with celery, grapes, oranges, apples, and did I leave anything out? Oh, and fake eyes. And I have some books to share with you that would go great with a very hungry caterpillar. It's an all-time favorite. I think that would be a great one. That one's by Eric Carle. You could read that one and make some insects. You could use these for a summertime theme party. Wouldn't that be a good idea?
That would be cool.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Miss Allison and this is Charlotte, and she's helping me today.
Hi.
I didn't introduce her. Oh. Anyway, so let's take some examples that we've made already. There is my little, I had to put a little toothpick on the bottom of him. So what I did was I put peanut butter in the celery, and I added some pretzels for wings, and I made a little face with a grape and some eyes. Now I got the eyes at Walmart, but you can get them anywhere. They sell them at Michael's and other stores. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing plugs for people, but I think it works. And then I made a little snail. And I used peanut butter once again, and I made little eyes and a little back out of an orange. So that was a good idea. So Charlotte, would you like to try to create something? Okay. Let's see. And I'll work on something else while you're doing yours. Okay. Oh, we have special markers. They're food markers. So we used it on the side of the apple to make the snail's shell more intricate. What kind of face should he have?
Blueberry would probably look better.
Perfect. Now you're going to have to add a little peanut butter. So let's grab the knife. Why don't I help you with that? I'll assist. Okay. Put a little peanut butter on the eyes to stick it on your, to make a face. Let's see. Oh, there's one eye. Let's do the other. One-eyed snail.
There we go.
Oh, cool. Do you want to bring him up close to the camera so everybody can see him? Oh, look at him. Now, I think this would look really nice on a platter. You could do some, maybe some lettuce in the background, maybe some parsley to make it look like there's a nice grassy surface that your insects are on. Also, another idea that was done in one of the Pinterest pins that I pinned was you can make a little face out of a cashew. And let's see if that works on this guy. Let's reinvent this one. You can also use, I don't know, is that working? It looks kind of funny. You agree? That's not quite right. This is what happens if you don't do it right. So maybe some wings instead. We could add a couple of wings. Let's match. Let's use blueberries on both sides and a face. We have no eyes on this one. Does he look good without the eyes? It actually looks better like that. I kind of like it. So if you have a nut allergy, like I said, you could use cream cheese. Did you want to do one with cream cheese? Or
Sure.
okay. Where's our knife? Oh no, we need a new knife. Let's grab one from the drawer. This happens a lot in my videos. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I'm always grabbing something from the kitchen if I forget it. So Charlotte's going to try to make one with cream cheese. And we do have these fun little candy pieces that we could use too for eyes. That might be something to try.
I like spreading cream cheese better.
Yeah, it's easier than peanut butter. It doesn't get all over your hands. Well, maybe it can, but. You could also use olives, which I don't have today, but I think olives would go really good with the cream cheese. And maybe some pickles for wings. Something I just thought of. It just might work. Okay, so what are we creating with this one? We have our grapes and blueberries and everything here.
I think I'll create a caterpillar.
You're going to do a caterpillar? Okay, perfect. Now I wonder if it'll work. Oop, there goes his head. I wonder if it'll work if you, you know what? The cream cheese is not as sticky as the peanut butter. We found that out, and that's okay. But I don't know if the cream cheese will work to hold on the eyes. Do you think it will work?
Maybe you need to use like edible glue or something.
Edible glue? Is there such a thing as edible glue?
I think there is. I think I saw it on a cooking show.
Did you? Oh, we're not that organized today. We don't have any edible glue. That's a great idea. So you're gonna need. Let me assist you on this one. Since we're sticking with cream cheese here. Want big eyes this time?
Okay.
We haven't just used the small eyes so far.
I think the cream cheese will look better for the eyes because it won't show all the brown.
Yeah, maybe you're right. So I think you could have fun with this with a group of kids. I think they'd really get into it. He's got some big eyes on him. He's adorable. Look, he's adorable. Let's put him on his own plate, and then we can show him better. I think it's hard to see. We're losing our characters here. Now, something I wanted to mention when you're doing this. Oh no, he's falling apart. Okay, we'll fix it. No worries. It can be tricky, especially if your celery is not lying flat. So try to pick celery. Oh man. We need more. Oh bother. Okay. Oh, this is a tough one. You know why? Because it's a thin one. I think maybe stick with wider bases, but that's okay. He's still cute. Did you see him? He's adorable. Okay, let's put him on the tray with the rest of them. So I think that's it. I think we did wings, right? We did the wings and used a great face for a dragonfly, and we made a little snail with a orange slice. And Charlotte did a nice snail with her apple slice over here, and it's really cute. So thank you so much for joining us today. I hope that you enjoyed this Kids Cook session. We will be sure to add the directions on the post, and also if you do create something at home, could you please share it with our friends in our viewing audience. Thank you so much and have a great day. Say
Bye.
goodbye.